Hello guys, this is Vsquare Tech and I am a tech guide Vivek, and today we are going to discuss about top 4 features of realme 1 after the OTA update. Means I am going to say about the OTA update which was given to realme 1 yesterday. So let's get started. So the first feature is about the RAM management, guys. So they have said a lot about RAM management, so I will play not. I'll open some heavy apps like Instagram, Facebook, and let's check the speed of the phone. Many members have complained about that money transfer issue when they come to check the OTP code, and then they can't get the RAM will clear RAM. So you can see the RAM is very nice now. RAM management is very good done now. So as you can look with the proof of the video I am showing you, I am opening Discord, opening Insta. So as you can look where I left, it has been started Facebook, and many more things are same. Now let's move to the second thing, guys. There is security patch. As in the last update there was info about the security patch, which was they said they have improved, and as you can look it is April 5, 2018 now. Before it was March security patch, so that's a good thing. We are getting security patch update for the phone. And next is about the face unlock, guys. Before, many of you had complained about the face unlock, that when you close your eyes or after the face is covered it will unlock, but now there's a dedicated don't unlock when eyes are closed. That is another feature. So moving to the next feature, it's about the theme store in the realme 1 itself. Now they have added 2 more themes which is nearly comparable to the design of the phone, which is diamond blue and diamond ruby, which is comparable to the back. So this was my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you subscribe. Meet you in